Hello everyone, I am A.B. Gauri, Department of English, GKG College, Kolhapur. Class BCom 2nd, Semester 3rd. Subject English for Business Communication, Compulsory English. In the module 1st of this semester, we studied the unit Oral Skills. In that unit, we learn what are the oral skills, spoken communication and written communication. Difference between spoken communication and written communication. Oral presentation, comparing PowerPoint presentation, language of PowerPoint presentation, and interviewing famous persons. Similarly, in this unit, we will try to learn conversation skills. The topic of today's lecture is Conversation Skills, Module 2, Unit 1. So, let us see what are the conversation skills. Language is a means of communication. In a multilingual country like India, English is used as a link language. Conversation is not only a matter of giving and receiving information, but a form of social interaction too. We communicate with others by using various concepts dealing with request, permission, agreement, and disagreement. We use polite language while expressing requests, asking for information, seeking permission, etc. The present unit focuses on conversation skills like self introduction, asking for information, making requests, seeking permission, expressing agreement and disagreement. A learner can achieve these skills through practice. In the earlier lectures of this unit, we learn about introducing yourself and asking for information. Now, we will see the next point of this lecture, which is making requests. Making request for something or to someone is a part and parcel of our daily life. Polite language is something more than a sharp-edged weapon. One can achieve the desired effect by establishing a good, tactful, polite conversation with any person. There are certain set phrases, words, and expressions which will help you to be more tactful while making requests. They are as follows. The auxiliaries will, would, willingness, and can, could, ability can be used. Will you make sure the water is hot? Would you please tell me your address? Can anyone tell us what the time is? Could you lend me a typewriter? Would and could are more polite, modest than will and can. Requests can be expressed by using please or the tag questions like will you, why don't you, shut the door please, please help me in lifting this heavy bag, Give me your ball, will you? Have tea, why don't you? Requests can be expressed by using plain imperatives. John and Mary stand over there. Everybody shut your eyes. You water the plants, Gopal. There are many more ways of making a polite request. Give me your sharpener, please. Will you give me your sharpener, please? Would you give me your dictionary? Would you be kind enough to give me your dictionary? Would you mind giving me your bicycle? Can you spare some time to guide us? Here is a sample dialogue for practice between student and teacher. Let us see. Student, would it be possible for me to have a few more minutes to review before the competition? Teacher, please feel free to review a few more minutes. Student, thank you very much. Teacher, no problem. Do you have any questions in particular? Student, no. I just need to review things quickly. Teacher, okay. We will begin in few minutes. Now we will see the next point of this unit, which is seeking permission. Conversation is a multifaceted skill. To continue the flow of your conversation, you need to ask for information, make requests, and in the same way, you seek the permission. While seeking permission to do something, modal verbs help you in every possible way. Let's study the following examples. For seeking permission, use may and might. May I use your bicycle? He asked the captain if he might use the new bat. Can and could are used to ask for permission. Can I join the gym center, Baba? Yes, you can. Could I repeat this poem again? Sure. For more polite request for permission, use might. Might I disturb you for a minute? Might I use your new laptop? The verb mind is used for asking and giving permission. Would you mind closing a window for me? No, not at all. When asking for permission, we use can, could, may, but may and could are considered more formal than can. Study the following conversations. Son, may I take the car when I go out? Father, no, you may not. You only have a learner's license. Student, could I leave the class? Teacher, yes, Mary. Anil, Sanju, can I borrow your jeans? Sanjay, sure, you can, but don't make it dirty. The verb permit, allow, and let expresses permission. The examination committee have allowed him to take the examination late. Women are permitted to enter Shani temple. The captain let him do what he wants. So students, in this unit, under the point making request, we learn several words to make a proper request. With the help of this unit and the textbook, you can learn all the points which we discussed in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will see the next part of this unit. Thank you.